In this video, I am going to show you how to use Tamara in store online. If I want to use Tamara in store online, then you will need to follow some steps. In store purchases, first locate a participating store. Ensure the retailer accepts Tamara as a payment method. You can browse partner stores via Tamara store directory. Then use the in-app QR code feature. Open the Tamara app on your smartphone, then navigate to the QR checkout feature within the app. At the cashier, scan the QR code provided using the app's QR scanner. Confirm the payment details and complete the transaction. The another option is online purchase. For that, shop at partner online stores. Visit an online retailer that offer Tamara as a payment option. Then select Tamara at checkout. Add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Choose Tamara as your payment method. Log in using your mobile number and verify via a one-time password. Enter the required details and complete your first payment. The remaining installments will be scheduled over the next 2 months, manageable via the Tamara app. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.